really smooth last evening. At 50 meters, my expression was wow.
10.98. She was fantastic. Did 11.15 in her first race back. First race of the season, I should say.
Yeah.
And here we go for the lineup once more. Lane number 1 from MVP Track Club, Janelle Smith.
Very special talent from Wilmer's Trust High School for Girls. She has a gold medal from the Doha World Championships in 2019, where she ran the first leg of the 4x100 meters. Has been struggling with injuries. If you look at her right arm, you'll see that blue kinesio tape. So struggling with injuries, but even with the injuries, she's in the semifinals and has run 11.23 seconds in the heats to get here, hoping to get into the top 3 to guarantee herself a spot in the final.
Lane number 2, Naisha Burgo.
No,
that's
Tina
Clayton in lane number 2.
Two-time world under 20 100 meters champion. Hasn't got back to 10.95 form, but rounding into shape nicely. The second of 3 MVP athletes in this first semi-final.
Lane number 3, Jodine Williams from Sprintec.
Nobody should be happier for her than herself. 11.01, a brand new PB set last evening. She is already at her very best and expects to go sub-11 and be in the top 3.
And lane number 4, Kemba Nelson from Elite Performance.
Part of the 2022 4x1 silver medal team at Oregon, and 10.85 at her best, has gone up to 11.12 in qualifying. She's trying to round back into form, and she'll want to be in the final.
Here in lane 5 from MVP Track Club, Natasha Morrison.
Natasha Morrison won her heat yesterday. Her 11.12 positions her very well. That was a season best that she did yesterday. She knows that she is well positioned to be in the top 3 to guarantee herself a spot in the final.
And in lane number 6, from a national champion from Elite Performance, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 2-time Olympic gold medalist, multiple world championship gold medalist over 100 meters, potentially her penultimate race over 100 meters locally in Jamaica. She has indicated that she wants to step away after this year, and she has gone as fast as 10.60, gave us something to whet her appetites last evening with 10.98. All eyes will be on her.
In a lane number 7, from Sprintec, Ashanti Moore.
Ashanti Moore, when she was at Hydel, she was their captain and did super for them at Champs. Now, on the professional stage, representing Adidas, and ran a time of 11.24 to get here.
And lane number 8, that's Naisha Burgo. So,
yeah, Naisha
based on the lane assignments, there was some switch.
Yes, University of Texas at El Paso, 11.06 personal best, qualified with 11.32, and she expect her to go fast, one of the fastest Jamaicans before the semifinals or the prelims last evening.
Came in with 11.06, I believe it was.
Correct.
Did not look near to that form in the heats yesterday. The crowd is literally buzzing. Watch for the top 3 viewers, listen for the top 3. Those are the only ones who are guaranteed a spot in this evening's final.
So just to clarify, Bruce, and help them understand, when there are 2 semifinals, it's the top 3 and the 2 next best times. Right. When there are 3 semifinals, it's the top 2 and the next best 2 times.
Correct.
So this is semifinal 1, the first and the penultimate semifinal of the women's 100 meters.
Athletes on their mark, set position. And what kind of start does Fraser-Pryce get? She gets the trademark bullet start. Also running well is Janelle Smith. Look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce streak away from this field. Janelle Smith is following her through. 10.90, the flash time. She's getting faster and faster. Let's see what that comes back at for Fraser-Pryce.
10.91, positive 1.5. Super running. She grabs her teammate, Kemba Nelson.
That was second, yeah.
11.04. Natasha Morrison steps up with 11.16. Business like. Come on now, Shelly-Ann, break us. We'll be looking at about 4th and 5th place to see if they challenge 11.22 and 11.25, the 2 bubble times.
Yeah. There we see her game face on, Sharika Jackson. Are you going to ask her to smile as well?
I'd like her to smile after the final.
Yes.
And here we go, the lane assignments. John Smith's Brianna Williams is in lane 1.
One of only 3 Jamaican juniors to ever go sub-11. Brianna Williams has double gold at the World Junior standard back in 2015.
And of course, in lane number 2, she is the fastest junior, 10:92, Alana Reid.
Yeah, Alana Reid, 11.20 in qualifying, 11.09 this season, 10.92. Fastest junior, as I mentioned, Chris, representing Nike. Let's see what she plans for us.
In lane number 3 from MVP Track Club, Tia Clayton.
When do you want to run your personal best? When it matters most. 11.02 last evening. She is super confident going into this semifinal.
And from the University of Technology in lane number 4, Crystal Slowly.
Crystal Slowly, University of Technology, has improved to 10.99 this season, comes in with 11.12, a 2019 NACAC under 18 4x1 gold medalist. She is running into form nicely this season.
Yep, in lane number 5 from Sprint Tech, Shashali Forbes.
Has run 10.96 at her best, and right now she's getting right back to her very best, having run 11.03 just last evening. The superstar from Sprint Tech representing for Coach Maurice Wilson.
In a lane number 6, she is the defending national champion. 10.65 is her personal best. Came into the semifinals with 10.99. Sharika Jackson.
Many persons saw her 200-meter races and forgot that she had an 11.03 coming in, 10.99 in qualifying, 10.65 all-time, a world championship 200 meters gold medalist, second fastest woman all-time in that distance.
Yes, from lane number 7 from MVP Shakoria Wallace.
Her 11.24 got her into lane 7. Is she able to make a dent in the top 5?
And in lane 8 from Puma, Lane Teva Thomas.
Didn't have her best race last night in qualifying, 11.06 her personal best, 11.27 in qualifying. She'll definitely want to run much faster than she did last night.
So half the field being made up of UTEC MVP, I should say MVP UTEC. 4 of the 8 athletes. Tia Clayton, MVP. Sharika Jackson, MVP. Shakoria Wallace, MVP. Crystal Slowly, UTEC. Alana Reid, Nike. Brianna Williams,
Report for the start, please.
Sprint Tech. Lane Teva Thomas, Puma. So final bit of inspections being done by the officials. This is semi-final 2 of 2 women's 100 meters. And sent away cleanly. Look at the start from Sharika Jackson. Sasha Lee Forbes looking good at this stage. Look at Tia Clayton on the inside. Tia Clayton is storming. Sharika Jackson trying to get back. It's Tia Clayton. What time will she produce? 10.83. Wow.
My.
And that would be a massive personal best. That would be a personal best by a city block. What's the official time? What's the wind reading?
86.
Incredible.
Positive 1.0 meters per second, the wind speed as well.
She's now the 10th fastest Jamaican in history. 10.86. That's incredible. Who was the first to get there? Was it her twin sister?
Yeah.
That is incredible. She is now the fastest Jamaican for 2024. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Her twin sister holding her. Does she lift her up? And this is a Tina Clayton who had the family record at 10.95. She now gives the family record 10.86 to her big sister. They're twins, but one came out first. That Jamaica, brace yourself. Tia Clayton, who had never broken 11 seconds in her life, jumps past 10.9. She doesn't even have a 10.9 time. She ran 10.86. Look at this start. Right here, out quickly. That's her in lane 3. Sharika Jackson got a very good start as well. Sasha Lee Forbes. The only poor start here was Crystal Slowly, who had a lot of work to do. And at this stage, Sharika is like, hey, we need to slow down. We need to ease up. Slow down. But
at the Jamaican National Trials, the women's 100 meters delivered exactly what fans hoped for: speed, tension, and a powerful reminder of greatness. At the center of it all stood Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the legendary Mommy Rocket, returning to the track with authority and purpose. In a field filled with hungry young talent, the sprint icon showed that experience, precision, and raw explosiveness still matter at the highest level. Fraser-Pryce entered the championships carrying both expectation and emotion. With her career approaching its final chapters, every race now feels significant, especially on Jamaican soil. From the opening round, she looked sharp and composed. Her 10.98 seconds in the heats was controlled and effortless, signaling that something special might be coming next. She did not overextend, conserving energy while still asserting dominance. The semifinal confirmed those suspicions. Exploding out of the blocks with her trademark bullet start, Fraser-Pryce quickly separated herself from the field. Within the first 30 meters, she had already established control, her acceleration crisp and decisive. She crossed the line in a stunning 10.91 seconds with a legal plus 1.5 meters per second wind, a time that silenced any remaining doubts about her form. For an athlete with nothing left to prove, it was a statement run, calm, confident, and devastatingly effective. Behind her, the younger generation fought fiercely. Tina Clayton showcased her explosive potential, staying competitive through the drive phase and reminding everyone why she is considered one of Jamaica's brightest sprinting prospects. Kimba Nelson displayed solid mechanics and resilience, while Jodine Williams pushed hard through the middle of the race, refusing to be overshadowed by the occasion. Yet, this race was about more than times and placements. It was about legacy meeting ambition. Fraser-Pryce did not merely win, she commanded. Her top-end speed remained smooth, her posture relaxed, her finish clinical. In an era where youth often dominates headlines, she reminded the world that greatness is sustained through discipline, experience, and an unbreakable competitive spirit. As the season progresses, this performance positions Fraser-Pryce as more than a ceremonial presence. She is a real contender, capable of challenging the world's best when it matters most. Whether this truly becomes one of her final appearances at home or not, the message was unmistakable. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is not fading quietly. She is sprinting forward, fast, fearless, and unforgettable.